Hey, this is G from Outlier Automation. I am down in Southern California with Staubli at their open house, and this is Brandon. And what do you got going on here? What is this giant robot?
All right, so we have our TX2-140. It's showing a palletizing application. The TX2-140 is a new model on our product range. It starts at a 40 kilogram payload, 140 centimeter reach. We're showing some palletizing here, which is a pretty basic application. But what we're showing that's a little bit interesting is the speed and distance separation, making it a collaborative application. So we're able to slow down the robot and stop it at a SIL3 PLE level, which allows you to have a collaboration with the zone, with the cell itself.
Okay, so you're saying that like if someone actually installed this, they wouldn't have to have fencing?
No fences,
Gotcha.
So we call it a fenceless application.
There's this yellow tape around us, and if we were to walk out of it, then we could start running, or?
Yep, so the idea is that, a typical palletizing application, you're gonna have fork trucks coming in and out. Once this pallet is full, you need to be able to drive up, get there, get that pallet out, and build it, bring in a new one. Also, you sometimes wanna just introduce new product, right? You have another box that got left out of the production or whatever, you sit it on its own and they can be added to the pallet at that point.
Gotcha. So when I think of Fenceless and these 6 scanners, I'm thinking safety. Like, why are you guys able to do this, and like what value are you bringing by this application?
So we're the only robot company so far that I know of that has went to the point of getting that SIL3 PLE certification, and we certify it through a third party. TÜV from Rhineland came in and certified, stamped our hardware and our software. So they had to look for all those redundancies, making sure everything is up to par, and then they certify us at PLE.
Right. Yeah, so performance level E, you don't want to hit someone in the head with a robot, right?
Yep.
Especially if it's moving fast. So we don't want to guarantee that it's not going to do that, and that's what the PLE really means, right?
Right. It helps with the risk assessment. At the end of the day, the customer has their own risk assessments they have to take into account, and that PLE certification allows you to account for less risk for this robot compared to others.
So is this application, this is a vacuum pick? Or?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we're using a PIAB Venturi. It's I'm not sure of the model name, but it's able to move a bunch of different style of boxes, and that's the idea behind it. So we're showing it here. It's going to pick up the box and then index it on this middle position. Just because we palletize back and forth on the same box,
Right.
It'll slowly get off a little bit. So we pick it up and we index it in this center position. So that when we put it back down, it's always going to be put down in the same spot.
Cool. Awesome. Well, I hope that I can do one of these soon. I actually really like safety. I have my own certification in it, so I always think it's cool, and I appreciate that you guys take safety seriously too.
Yeah. Let us know if we can help with anything.
Awesome. Thanks.
All right. Thank you.